Here we are, made it to Erie. Currently 30 degrees out. We're gonna spend the next hour or so cruising around the streets of Erie and checking out the Christmas lights. Get the bikes unloaded and get a move on. So we took off at about 6 o'clock. The ride was definitely brisk, but as you see, we got to see some really amazing Christmas lights in the town of Erie. We rode for about an hour, traveling about 8 miles, ending right back at the Erie Co-op for a hot coffee. Merry Christmas!
Oh, look at these ones! Oh, that's so pretty. Hey, you getting these?
Oh yeah, we're live on candid camera back here.
Oh, no. That's how we were friends with Josh, is through YouTube, which is kind of funny.
Another set of HB wheels.
Hey.
Oh, that's all right. Hi.
How's it going?
So I didn't really want to come, but I'm so glad that I did. This is so cool.
Yo! Look at this. What you doing? Yeah. That's cool. Oh, a little action to your left. Yeah. It's pretty cool. What, there's probably 12 or 15 of us, huh? Leader of the pack up there, Josh gone. You glad you came, honey?
Yeah, I'm super glad I came.
Cool.
Super fun. I almost bailed.
Where'd Josh go? Where'd Josh go? Oh. How about that for some school lights, huh? That looks awesome. That house over there, man. You imagine their electric bill going up. What else is impressive is that there's like 12 or 15 of us riding around in 30-degree weather on our bicycle. 13 of us. Pretty cool, huh? 30 degrees bike ride. Christmas light.
Wow!
How nice is that?
I think those are bed sheets. They sewed them and made them look like tops.
Yeah, buddy.
That was worth. Wow.
Yeah. There we are, back to the beginning. Oh, there's my van right there.
2 of them.
Yeah. Van life in it. Woo, made it. Doo-doo-doo.
What a great ride, Josh. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming.
So much fun.
Woo.
Hang a left right here.
Left.
And then I've got friends on the left and the right here, so I always ring my bell.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Bell's still going.
So far, so good.
Oh, up on the rooftop,
Maybe that's-
reindeer paws.
I don't know any of these songs. I know the melodies.
Like a good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys.
It's like solid
ho,
black.
ho, ho, who would know? Ho, 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 who would know? Up on the rooftop, reindeer paws. Down through the chimney with Santa Claus. Let's see, what else do we got? Frosty the snowman
Right there.
was a jolly happy soul.
Woo.
With the corn pop pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal.
Oh, you added that little flair there.
It's a nice.